location in Clifton Hill, Ontario. Behind me is Ghost Blasters. It's a 3D interactive ride here on the strip. Now, in the past, I've actually vlogged this in bits and pieces, but today, I'm gonna do the whole ride here for you all to come along and see what it's like. I already got my tickets. Let's go see what kind of trouble I can get into. Do come along. Skeletons in the closet. See, it says the Bahamas.
This is my new
Niagara Falls. Well, that's adorable. Screamville.
when you have a version of the great hotels.
Creepy. So basically, it's like a haunted house ride that has 2 blasters, and you get to shoot the inhabitants of this haunted house for points. So it's a really fun ride. Let's go check it out. Everybody keeps losing their head around here. One special note about this ride was my very, very first trip to Niagara Falls back in 2005. This is one of the things I did when I first visited here, so it always is a special thing for me, and I always have to have a ride each time I come here. Okay, so last time I did this, I tried filming with my right and shooting with my left, and that didn't work, so let's do this right. 2 blasters, 2 scores. Whoa, we're going right in. Now go. Well, I'm not very good at this. Alright, now we're doing better. Ah! Ah! Don't you scream at me. Ah! You know, this, what are these? What are these things? What are you doing? Ah! Okay. Come on, I shot you like 5 times. She said this one doesn't work. Let's try it. Alright, this isn't very good. Maybe I'm just a terrible shot. There we go. There we go. Wake up. Okay. Ah! Oh my gosh, that scared me. Boo! Ah! Okay. Alright, I guess it kind of works. I know there's something here that's... Ah! That shot gets me every damn time! Every damn time! I knew that was going to happen. Look, that's for glass. Strobes. We don't like strobes. Yeah, I'm scared. Casket. Alright, that's it. Apparently
exit.
The last 70 isn't terrible. Thank you. There's a rock and gold behind me. So overall, it's a pretty fun experience. It's like $5 Canadian. You have to do what you're here, and I actually got scared at least 3 times in there. So love it. Always like to come here. Always like to take a ride through. So that's gonna do it for this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I really enjoyed making it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up down below. Share this video and tell your friends. If you're new to my channel, check out some of my other videos. If you like them, please consider subscribing. Make sure you hit that bell so you can be notified of any future vlogs I put up. Until next time, signing off from Niagara Falls, Canada. Oh boy.